Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning the phone off and removing any case, then the battery if the model allows. This prevents shorts and gives access. Use a SIM eject pin or a straightened paperclip to test the tray hole gently, and have a plastic pry tool ready to avoid metal contact. Once done, position the phone on a flat surface under a bright light and use a magnifier if the slot is tiny. This reduces slips and helps you see internal catches. You now focus on freeing the tray. Insert the eject pin straight into the access hole and apply steady, even pressure. Do not wiggle aggressively because internal clips can break. If the tray pops out a millimeter, pause and grip that edge with fine-tip tweezers, then pull straight outward. This aligns the rails. Once partially out, blow short bursts of compressed air or dampen a cotton swab with 90% isopropyl to flush sticky debris. You finish by pulling the tray straight out without twisting. If you feel resistance, stop and reassess because bending ruins SIM cards. Once removed, inspect the tray and slot for residue or a broken clip. Clean with a cotton swab and isopropyl, or if a clip is cracked, consider replacing the tray or phone housing. If nothing moves, make sure to stop and take the device to a technician. Forcing it can cause costly internal damage, which you want to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.